Today I'm sharing a simple and healthy snack that can be used as garnishing: crispy fried ginger. It goes well with steamed fish, fried meat, chicken or pork. This recipe yields 160 grams of crispy fried ginger. The ingredients needed are 350 grams of fresh ginger. I recommend choosing a large piece like this so we can get longer strips. 7 tablespoons of Gogi tempura flour, half teaspoon of salt, and 500 grams of cooking oil. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Start with removing the ginger skin. Scrape it off with a small knife or a peeler, like this. Give it a wash after peeling. Meanwhile, switch on the heat. Preheat about 500 grams of cooking oil for 8 minutes. This is for deep frying. Cut all the ginger into thin slices before cutting it again into long strips. Place all the ginger strips in a large tray. Sprinkle the salt and mix until well combined. Mix 5 tablespoons of Gogi tempura flour with ginger strip until well coated. Looks like there is not enough flour. Add in 2 more tablespoons of flour and mix. After 8 minutes, check the cooking oil. Put the cooking chopstick in the oil to check for bubbles. If there are bubbles at the tip, the oil is ready. Now I can fry the ginger. For this amount of ginger, I will fry them in 2 batches. Gently drop the ginger little by little, as they tend to clump together and are quite sticky after being coated with tempura flour. Continue until the pan is full. Use the chopstick to gently separate the clumped gingers. After about 3 minutes, the ginger is getting brown, but it's not crispy yet. Flip to evenly cook them. Continue to stir and cook the ginger for about 2 more minutes or until completely brown and crispy. Alright, the ginger is cooked and perfectly brown. Remove from the oil and rest on the strainer to drip out the excess oil. Then let it on a wire netting to cool. Spread them out evenly to cool them faster. This step is important to preserve the crispiness of fried ginger, as the excess moisture will not be trapped beneath them. Continue with the second batch. Put all ginger in the hot oil and fry it for 5 to 6 minutes or until brown and crispy. Remove from the oil. And put them together with the rest of the first batch. Alright, these are the ginger snacks that have completely cooled down. Let's eat! Wow, nice! There is a bit of heat and a subtle aroma from the ginger. It is very crispy, perfect for a healthy afternoon snack. I recommend storing the ginger strip in a clean, airtight container at room temperature for about 2 weeks. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.